Ay mga guys, pag kung matagas manilig sa ako, tanawag ko manilig. Kapiti bang daghan diri sa kanan tingdaghan ng mga guys. No, timod dugaya guys. Daghan kaayo naning bike diri. Naning bike. Nagamay. Tinggamay. Tinggamay sa bike guys. Manilig sa ako diri guys. Tanawag ko yung manilig ko guys. Mga 3 minutes naman ni guys. Nawala ko dito guys. Kung gusto mong manilig jud mo kay kung suguan mo sa mga mama dapat manilig jud mo kay kasi kasabaan mo para patuo jud mo kay mo man trabaho. Pati ang daga ng namigas dali guys. Pero ko na lang sa sis. Naghana. Good morning, hello.
Finally, and today we're starting the vlog by doing my laundry. I do have a lot of laundry again, guys. So since we have this done, we are gonna do it this morning. Okay. So this is how I would normally do it. Look, I don't have the attachment directly for water to the washing machine, so I have this. Actually, we got this in the city, and we were gonna connect this to the pipe or the outside water for this one, but then yeah, we just decided to put it right here because we were gonna put it right here and then do it like that. But yeah, anyway, so yeah, we use it as this one instead so that the water can just be connected. It's so hot now.
Badminton, ako badminton. Bahala hatay na sa kuya pamay ko.
And when it's hot, you're complaining again. That's just
Well guys, ito na po ko manilig sa gawas balik ko.